Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. I want to thank all our new subscribers and welcome back all our old subscribers. I hope you folks are all enjoying our shows and enjoying the cocktails. We spent a little bit of time this week with the holiday trying to think of what we could bring to you that was a little bit different. And I think we found one. It's just a few simple ingredients, and with those simple ingredients we came up with a cocktail that's got a pretty complex taste. It's sweet, it's tart, it's refreshing, it's a classic. First poured in the early 30s in old-time Los Angeles at the Vendome Club. And it was named after a diner that was shaped like a hat. You may have heard of it, the Brown Derby. So let's get pouring. First off, we are going to start with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. And that's going in our shaker. Next, we are going to use a ½ ounce of a honey syrup. That's equal parts of honey and water. And next goes our spirit. We are going to use 1½ ounces of bourbon. Today we're using Knob Creek 9-year. All that goes into the glass. We're going to add an ice cube. Pop the top on that. And we are going to give it a good shake. It's going to chill it. It's going to aerate it. And now we pour. To finish it off, we're going to take a twist of grapefruit, give it a squeeze over the glass, and there you go, the Brown Derby.